right, so right in front of me, this is a hot air station. Basically what it does is blow hot air. The air could get up to 1,000 degrees. It's a rework station, and it's used to melt chips. So this could get really hot. So let's see what we can actually do with this hot air. All right, I cranked up the machine to max. It's like almost 1,000 degrees, and I cranked up the air to almost max. So let's see what happens. And we're gonna try to melt this toy. This is a Stormtrooper toy.